I've been with Knoll for 40 years.
I've been with Knoll since 1985.
I've been here 26 years.
20 years, 30 years.
18 years.
38 years.
Florence Knoll started all that. She created an environment where she gathered unique people, people from very different backgrounds, people that enjoyed working together. I think that is why we're so proud of the Cooper Hewitt Award, because it does say that those things that she began, we're still doing today.
I'm responsible for the North American supply chain, which includes 4 main sites here in East Greenville, Pennsylvania, 2 in Western Michigan in Muskegon and Grand Rapids, and 1 in Canada. The East Greenville site is our largest manufacturing site and houses our most state-of-the-art manufacturing, the Generation line of chairs.
The Generation chair was brought to us by a New Zealand company, Formway Design. They had a vision for a whole new way to use materials that have never been used in office furniture. We transformed what it can do into a product that is incredibly comfortable, incredibly focused on the individual user.
The Generation assembly is fully automated. The operators do not lift, rotate this chair at all. All they have to do is place parts. Our daily production are built to order, 1 for 1. Everything that gets produced today will ship today.
We're very fortunate at Knoll because we have a Nancy Bifma test lab.
Knoll uses the industry standards simply as the price of entry. If a requirement is that a chair go 300,000 cycles in a given test, we'll take it to 1.2 million cycles.
Knoll has a 70-year history of working with great designers to bring the best products we can to the workplace.
We work exclusively with external industrial designers.
We had the great opportunity of signing a contract with Mies van der Rohe's studio and MoMA in 1953. And this brought to Knoll our signature piece, the Barcelona collection.
The Barcelona chair is being built the exact same way it has been built from day one.
I've been affiliated with the Barcelona chair for about 20 years. For me to bolster it takes me about 4 hours for a seat and a back. So it's a very time process chair, but well worth it.
Outside of manufacturing, customer resources is the largest department at Knoll. On any given day, we could have thousands of orders here at Knoll, all the way from one order for one Knoll studio piece, all the way up to an order for 8,000 people in a facility.
We get very intimate with those orders from beginning to end. We know all of the details about them, from a mock-up all the way into an installation.
We really try to work with design firms, architectural firms, to get exactly what that firm wants. In Toronto is our Ref Profiles product, which is extremely customizable.
Ref Profile started off as a very simple office planning furniture and has matured in a very distinguished product line, very light and modern.
We at the Toronto facility, we make the components all the way from raw material to finished products. We select the veneer, we press them, we etch them, we finish them. We have 2 basic processes now we're building. We have the high volume process and we have the custom shop. 30% of our facility is dedicated to build custom products, where we build round tops, oval tops, corner tops. We take the pride and ability that we can take any design that is given to us and be able to build it.
We've invested in the technology and the equipment to be very ecologically friendly, not only in the parts that we make by using FSC particle board, but also in our finishes.
There's only one planet. It's our obligation to make sure that those things that we do improve its livelihood into the future.
The people at Knoll really take ownership of their positions.
Everybody here knows what Knoll stands for and lives it and breathes it every day, and make sure that nothing leaves here without their own personal stamp of approval.
It's caring about making sure it's a quality product. It's making sure that the client is satisfied in the end. That's really what we try to do. That's our goal every day.
I've been with Knoll for 40 years.
I've been with Knoll since 1985.
I've been here 26 years.
20 years.
30 years.
18 years.
38 years.
Florence Knoll started all that. She created